In addition to getting the right mount for your specific TV, be sure to validate what wall material you will be mounting to. Most TVs are too heavy to secure only to drywall, so make sure you mount it to the wall studs, typically spaced 16 to 24 apart. Use a stud finder to locate the bolting points. Mounting to a concrete or block wall will require special hardware that may not be included for attaching the TV to the mount. Most modern screens use the standard VESA mounting pattern of 100mm x 100mm to 400mm x 400mm. The following best TV wall mounts use the latest innovative components to meet your needs. So here is my list of the 11 best TV wall mounts. Number 11. Forging Mount Long Extension TV Mount Corner Wall Mount TV Bracket Full Motion with 30-inch long arm for corner, 30-inch long arm TV mount. Fits most 32-70 flat curve TVs like Samsung, Sony, Panasonic, Thomson, TCL, Hisense, Toshiba, Sharp, LG, Philips, JVC etc. VESA patterns from 200x100 up to 600x400mm, weighing up to 99 pounds, durable and reliable. This long-arm TV mount is built with heavy-duty carbon steel construction and split wall plate, an arm designed to support TVs up to 99 pounds, and it is past 310 pounds loading test. It has wide app action, home office, hospital, school, shopping, mall, restaurant. Easy fast installation. This TV bracket comes with preset drill hole template and variety of screws and easy to follow instruction manual to accommodate any brand of television. This TV wall mount can be used in 16 wood stud wall and solid concrete wall. The next is number 10. Pearl Smith Wall Mount fits most 37 to 75 TVs weighing up to 132 pounds. Equipped with multiple adjustments to allow for tilt and swivel, offers the ability to extend the TV between 2.2 and 18 from the wall. Features 6 articulating arms to ensure stability and strength. Offers 3 degrees of horizontal adjustment. Includes a cable management system to maintain organization. Perfect fit for 37 to 70-inch curved TVs or flat TVs. Constructed with articulating arms. 6 superbly designed arms. Ensures stability, which is 4 times higher than other mounting systems. Tilt your TV for perfect viewing. Adjust the angle in every direction for easy viewing from any seat in a room, avoiding neck aches and back aches. 3-degree horizontal adjustment allows you to fix minor installation errors within 3 degrees. Cable management system. Unsightly cables can be concealed effectively, making the whole TV set neat and streamlined. The next is number 9. Mount Factory is designed to fit most 42 to 70 LED, LCD, plasma TVs up to 100 pounds. Constructed from steel components for long-lasting durability. Equipped with barrel hinges for smooth movements. Offers the ability to tilt, pan, and extend for a range of viewing options. Extends up to 20 inches or retracts to within approximately 3 inches from the wall. Features rotation of up to 160 degrees to the left and right. Equipped with openings in the arms and backplate for organizing cables and wires. Uses the standard VESA mount patterns with a range of 200mm x 200mm up to 400mm x 600mm. Includes a 6 magnetic level to help with installation. Includes a 10 HDMI braided nylon cable with gold-plated connectors. The next is number 8. Amazon Basics Articulating TV Wall Mount is designed to support most 22 to 55 TVs up to 80 pounds. Equipped with adjustable tilt, swivel, and articulation for a range of viewing options. Features an articulating arm that retracts as close as 2.6 inches from the wall and extends up to 16.3 inches. Offers the ability to swivel to left and right 180 degrees. Constructed from aluminum and powder-coated steel for long-lasting durability. Includes a cable management system to reduce the appearance of cluttered cables. Uses the standard VESA mounting pattern of 100x 100mm to 400x 400mm. The next is number 7. Echogear Full Motion Articulating Mount is made to fit most 37 to 70 TVs up to 132 pounds. Offers the ability to extend, swivel, and tilt for a range of viewing options. Provides up to 16 of extension, 130 degrees of swivel, and 15 degrees of tilt. Designed to work with 16 wood stud spacing. Features a simple 3-step install process. The next is number 6. Everstone Articulating Wall Mount fits most TVs from 23 to 65 up to 88 pounds. Features 6 articulating arms that extend out to 14 from the wall and retracts down to 2.75. Constructed from cold-rolled steel components for strength and durability. Features up to a 15-degree tilt and 180-degree swivel for a range of viewing options. Designed for either masonry wall or standard 16-stud installation. Features a 3-degree level adjustment, equipped with standard VESA mounting pattern of up to 400 x 400 mm. The next is number 5. VideoSecu articulating mount is designed for smaller TVs or monitors from 17 up to 39, equipped with pan, tilt, swivel, and roll functions for a range of viewing options. Features a maximum weight capacity of up to 44 pounds, equipped with a dual link arm that provides up to a 15 extension from the wall, retracts back towards the wall for a low-profile appearance, equipped with a removable plate along with level adjustment for easy installation, constructed from steel components with a black powder-coated finish, includes mounting and screen attachment hardware. The next is number 4. Echogear tilting mount fits most 32 to 70 TVs. Offers the ability to tilt the screen down up to 15 degrees to reduce glare and reflections or increase visibility from a high-mounted position. Features a low-profile design that sits the TV 3.5 inches off of the wall. Offers easy access to cable connections with a tilting motion. Designed for mounting to 16 or 24 spaced studs. Uses standard VESA hold patterns. The next is number 3. Cheetah mounts dual articulating mount fits most 20 to 65 TVs up to 115 pounds. Features an articulating arm that extends up to 14 from the wall and retracts down to 2.7. Allows for up to 130 degrees of swivel and 10 degrees of tilt. Equipped with slots in the plate allow for up to 3 degrees of rotation adjustment to level the screen. Offers the ability to be mounted to 2 standard 16-wood studs as well as all types of masonry. Includes a 10 twisted vanes high-speed HDMI cable. Includes hardware for both wall and TV mounting. The next is number 2. VideoSec UNW340B2 is a low-profile full-motion mount that fits most 32 to 65 TVs up to 100 pounds, equipped with 2 articulating arms for added strength. Features a flat depth of only 2.3 inches, extends out 14 for easy access and increased viewing options, equipped with swivel and tilt to provide multiple viewing angles, designed to be mounted to wall studs. Offers a standard 100 x 100 mm to 400 x 400 mm mounting hole pattern. The next is number 1. Mounting Dream MD2380 supports most 32 to 55 TVs up to 99 pounds. There is also a larger version for supporting up to 75 TVs. Features an articulating arm that retracts down to 3 from the wall to save space and extends up to 15.2 from the wall. Constructed from steel components with a powder-coated finish for durability. Includes a bubble level and a 6 HDMI cable. Includes both TV and wall mounting hardware. Concrete anchors not included. Uses the standard VESA mounting pattern of up to 400 x 400 mm, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.